Okay, can you show me? Hey, where's your nose? Nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your... This isn't working out too well. Where's your teeth? Where's your tongue? Where's your ears? Where's your hair? Oh, pretty hair. Where's your beep beep? Where's your hands? Hands. Where's your fingers? Where's your toes? Toes. Where's your knees? Knees. Good job. Hi, Lily. Where's your pillow? Pillow. Pillow. Can you sing a song? That's a pretty song. What else can you do? What other things have we learned? I don't know. Let's see. What does a puppy say? Woo, woo, woo. What does a kitty say? What does a horsey say? What does a cow say? What does a piggy say? No, what does a piggy say? A piggy. You do it. What does a piggy say? Good job. What does a fishy say? Good job. Can you sing the song? Can you sing the song about the moon? Big moon, bright moon. Okay, can you blow kisses and say bye-bye?